Howdy everybody, the Trespass My Eyes here. I thought I'd do a quick how-to video on how to do these cyber audits. And there's only about 15,000 or more police stations or sheriff departments in the country. So, hey, if you want to do one, knock yourself out, do a bunch. And the more the better. So, and you can do your own style, do your own checks. Hey, do whatever you want. I just want to show you what I do, and maybe you can use some of my tools if you like. So what I do basically is I'll pick a site and I do a preview of it first so I can get an idea of how it's going to go. So what I use are these files. I use PowerPoint for a lot of my stuff, and it makes it easier to make pictures and things like that. So if you want to look at my First Amendment auditing files, that little link there on my homepage. And I not only do I have cyber audit stuff, but I've got court decisions and broken down by state, federal. Anyway, so you go to the cyber auditing files. You can see I have a contact template. I'll show you that in a little bit. Grading criteria, audit picture 2, audit picture 1, just different styles of pictures, and the results. So let me show you those real quick. So this is my grading criteria PowerPoint, and it's really easy. You just start a slideshow, and I set it up so these are animated here, these circles. So you click them once, it goes to pass, click them out, it's a red block. You can modify this however you like if you want to use whatever. So it's pretty cool, PowerPoint, and then you just, when you exit out, use it. So knock yourself out with that. So here's my PowerPoint for results, and it's kind of just like the grading criteria, at least work too. So you can go through it, and they're animated for however the results end up. So pretty basic there too. So PowerPoint's pretty easy to do. I like it. Use your own thing if you want. So I've tried different ways to make my thumbnail pictures, and this seems to be a really easy way to do it. And you just set up a picture and get your background at the right resolution, I think. Yeah, what you do is set up an image, do it like 1080 by 1920, so it's a 1080p, and so that gets your background field here. So if you want to change the text, it's really easy. You just select the text block. Pretty cool because you can do like your text fill, different colors. You can do text outlines different. And I found on YouTube it's good to have an outline color that contrasts with your text fill. It makes it easier to see those small icons. And then here's another text block, and plus a filler, whatever. So you would customize it for whatever audit you're doing. And then when you get it set the way you want it, save it as a PowerPoint also. But then if you go to File, Save As, you can select Save As and go down to Save it as a JPEG, and it saves it as that JPEG file, and then you can upload that as your thumbnail. It's really easy. I've tried using GIMP and different things. You can do it, but this seems to be the easiest way for me. Do what you want anyway. So once I finish the audit, I send the police department or sheriff's office a comment in the email about whether it was a pass or a fail, and whether they could fix where they can go to view the video, and to contact me, and I'll do another video if they fix the problems. So I've done 6 of these so far, and I've not got a response back from anybody, whether positive or negative. So I guess that goes to show. But anyway, so even the good ones I'll send. So what I did here in Denver, I found it's hard to find the people to contact, really. So if there's a PIO, I'll send it to that. That's the public information officer. I'll send that to that. And then so like here, This is one I sent as a fail. And this was to, who did I send it to? San Diego, I think. Yeah, San Diego Police Department, media inquiry. I use, so here's my template. So if it needs work, and if you do your own audit, you can change this to your channel. That's my channel. So, and modify it however you like. And I'll just copy and paste that into the email. And if they do a good job begin. And I'll copy and paste this into an email for a good job. Like I said, I haven't got a response back yet. Okay, for the tools I use, recording stuff, to record your desktop, the easiest tool I found is OBS 22, and that's a free tool, so take a look at that. It's real easy to set up. Also, for video editing, I use the VSDC video editor. And I ponied the $10 to pay for the Pro Edition. It gives you the hardware acceleration when you're compiling it, and waveforms for sound. Makes it easier to edit. So that's a pretty easy tool and cheap. So it's free. The free version works fine. It's just doesn't have all the tools, but it works great too. So those are my tools. Thanks.